welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on my dad's backyard. Aquí es donde vamos a trabajar hoy. Vamos a poner piedra. Pues ya saben dónde da, ahí en el cuadrito ese gris. We're gonna start doing some stone work. The stone is right over there. Let me show you guys real quick. Están las cajas. I'm gonna have to go get the serrucho, like the ones they used to cut the tile. Y con eso voy a cortar la piedra, because this is all natural stone. Let me see. We got a little sample right here. Right there. You guys can see that. Also all natural stone. So today, like I said, guys, let's talk, let's do some work. Ya son las 3 de la tarde, ya está un poquito tarde. Hay que aprovechar el tiempo antes que se nos vaya a ir y se nos vaya el solecito. Entonces, let's get the serrucho and start making la mezcla and show you guys how it gets done. All right, so before we get to do that, what you guys want to do is get a stone and set it and mark it. It's a little trick, you know. It's around 6 inches. So you mark it all the way down. All the way down. Mira. Super campeones! You mark it 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. And you do the same thing on the other side. Y le mides más o menos para mirar cómo está descuadrado. And once you start, obviously you start in the bottom. And I'm gonna show you guys how to start that. So let's get to it. Yes. All right, already got the serrucho. Let's bring I need a bucket, the drill, extension cord. Let's get to it. Ahí está. 6 inches, 12, 18, 24, blah, 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 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Hasta abajo. I'll mark one side, and then let me mark the other one. And let's get to it. I already drew my line. Ahí está marcadita. Now, ahí estará. And I already measured the top to the bottom. It's 7.258 both sides. So that means that I'm ready to start. I'm gonna start my first piece going that way. It don't really matter if I start from this side. I might start from this side. So let's get started. So, otra vez más, guys. Marca 6 pulgadas, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, hasta abajo. All right, and then you measure. You measure what you get. I got 7.258. And then you do the same thing over there. And when you set the first stone, what you want to do is use your level, continue your level. And that's it. Yes, sir. So what you guys want to do, cut this off, this little piece, derechito, paz. Cortar este pedacito. Estorba que se está derecho, debe cortar. Should I start from right here? Or should I start from over there? Yeah, I'm gonna start from over here, screw it. Ahí está. Ay, Dios mío santo. A ver, guys. Mira. Ok. Lo que quiero hacer es, obviously, you know, put the motor here. La mezcla atrás, ¿verdad? This is why you gotta cut the piece off. Tienes que cortar aquí para poder pegarla aquí derechito. Bang, bang. Ahí está. Ahí va. Boom. Put the level. Make sure it's Gucci. All right. But before that, guys, you know how I've been talking about on my previous videos about getting a taco truck, guys, and start doing vendiendo tacos. No catering. I was gonna say catering, but I'm not gonna do that unless I have to. You know, guys, never ever stop talking about your dreams. I know there's people out there como la gente, la raza, siempre le gusta decir, hey, no digas nada, don't share your dreams and shit, because you know, como que te echa la mala suerte, ¿verdad? Y eso no es verdad, guys. Manifestation. I manifested my dreams because I talked about them. Is that the right word? Hopefully it is manifested, right? I manifested my dreams. I used to talk about them a lot, that I was gonna do this, I was gonna do that. I always been that guy. Y siempre me dicen, hey, don't talk about your dreams. You gotta keep that to yourself until they happen. No, guys, that's not the case. Cuando uno tiene ganas de salir adelante y tiene sueños, tienes que hablarlos. Porque si no los hablas, they're not gonna come true. In order for your dreams to come true, you have to talk about them. Don't ever let nobody tell you not to talk about your dreams, because they want you to stop dreaming. When they tell you don't share your goals, don't listen to them. You gotta talk about them. Talk about them as much as you can until everything happens. Everything will happen if you talk about it. See, I came across this. I wasn't even planning on buying it this soon. I talked about it for 2-3 months. I bought me a taco truck. I manifested everything, and it's already here, guys. Siempre hablen and don't stop thinking and dreaming about it. And if people te empieza a decir, don't talk about it, you're getting annoyed. More action, just too much blah 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 blah. They're trying to kill your dream. Don't ever let that happen. Talk about it. They don't want to kick it or hear it no more. Cut them off. Don't hang out around people like that. You gotta talk about your dreams. See, sooner or later, I will start selling. But ahí está. Everything happens if you keep talking about your dreams. So guys, let's go make some mezcla. Right now, ando como medio voladillo, guys. Ando medio contentillo. ¿Cómo no voy a estar contento si ya tengo mi loncherita ahí lista para que yo ir a venderme unos taquitos y quesabirrias and all that? And when I say I'm a good cook, I mean it, guys. I'm not gonna do tacos just because I see other people sell and they make money. No, that's not the case. I'm doing it because I enjoy cooking, and as long as I can make your day smile, I'm already doing good. I want you to come eat at my taco truck and take off with a smile and be like, damn, what a great meal. I felt great. If I can make you smile, that's my purpose, guys. Let's get ready. No hables tanto, guys. Estás hablando de más ya. Ponte a trabajar, mozo. All right, bro. Let's get to work. Let's mix a little bit of mezclita. Yes, sir. Ah, ya valió Winnie. Guys, I thought it was the special motor that sets real quick, you know, like pachurras, and it dries up fast. I guess my dad got the wrong one. This shit ain't it. This shit took forever. I had to put sticks. This is not right, but this is how it looks. The first stone, yes, sir. Now I gotta go look for un palito or something para estar poniéndola abajo, porque my dad said it was the quick set one, bro, but it's not. It's taking forever. This is crazy. Guys, ya busqué un 2x4 y le vamos a usar ese truquito porque está tardando mucho para secar. Hay que pasar con la segunda. Celular, guys, y les sé, aquí les voy a enseñar lo que he hecho. I did the first line. I did some of the second one, and let's continue, you know, so you guys can see. I'm only gonna do a little bit right now, and then tomorrow we'll do more, or next day. So guys, I'm already doing the stone in this house, en la misma casa, where I patched the door, like that. So I started doing this yesterday, and ahí vamos. Parece que hoy vamos a acabar aquí. Hopefully, we get it done today. Nomás esta pared, and then Friday, I'll start this one, hopefully. I think I will. No sé qué horas, pero I will start tomorrow. And look at the door, guys. The door, it's really big. It's gonna take a lot of stone. Mira nomás. It's gonna be full of stone, all that. Todo eso que se mira naranjadito. And the two windows as well. So, I just wanted to show you guys the process. And then we'll go back to my dad's house and continue doing that one. That one's a lot easier. It's just, that one's called stack stone. It's como una seta. You just stack, level it, obviously, right? Stack it. Easy, fast. Esta no. This one, si te quiebra it breaks your head. Si es un rompecabezas aquí. All right. So let's continue working on this house, and then I'll probably show you guys a little more at the end of the day, and then we'll go back to my dad's house. Yes. Y así es como quedó, guys. It took me 2 days to do this side. It used to take me like 3-4 days. Now I get down in 2. I hardly practice stone. I only do it like twice a year, if that. Yeah, if that. So for not doing it often, 2 days, it's not bad at all. I think I did real well. It looks nice. Yes, sir. We're almost done, guys. We are getting really close. I'm not finishing today. I'll probably do 1 more row or 2, 2 líneas max, because I already did like 8. It's a lot of weight. I don't want to risk it. Al rato, ¡pas! No está haciendo mucho sol. Está bien nublado, so tomorrow I might finish it tomorrow. Aquí va a llegar este video, guys. Ya terminé con el trabajo. Ahí está, completito, guys. So catch you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching. Yeah.